The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for central Crittenden County, northeastern St. Francis County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located near New Home, or 7 miles north of Hughes, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include West Memphis, Marion, Crawfordsville, Edmondson, Sunset, Anthonyville, Jericho, Jeanette, Simsboro, Crittenden, Kate, Browns, Louise, Jonquil, Bryce, Cunningham Corner, Amania, Tarsus, Weandock and Harvard. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Arkansas, St. Francis and Crittenden,